Guys, today we're looking at a magnetic charger. Okay, don't switch off yet. This is more interesting than it first appears. I mean, have you ever wished your phone could wirelessly charge faster and stay cool at the same time? Well, today we're taking a look into a very cool device that has some very interesting features over and above the norm. We're talking about the MC01, a new magnetic cooling charger from Minix. I mean, yeah, cooling charger. This little gadget is getting a lot of interest, and we're here to give you the full scoop. Back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is the Minix MC-C01 magnetic cooling charging system. Now, if you don't know Minix, well, they make a ton of cool and innovative tech for tons of different use cases. And this MC-C01 is right up there when it comes to phone charging systems. Now, before we get into it, Minix sent me this Qi 2 magnetic cooling charger to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get this out of the box and see what we have. First up, guys, open up the box and we have some instructions. We then have another box which houses a USB-C to USB-C power cable and a vent mount. Now, I do prefer this type of mount as it's much neater than sticking stuff on the windscreen. I mean, that's my pet hate, sticking like mounts on the windscreen, right? But anyway, guys, we then get to the main event, the magnetic charger itself. And I have to say, this looks and feels rather nice. It's very well built in true Minix style. Looking at the front, you've got this glossy magnetic charge pad with Qi 2 on it. More about that in a second. On the bottom, you have the USB-C socket to power it. On the back, you have the fan, as yes, wireless charging does create heat. And you have the ball mount to fix it to the vent mount, which does allow for tilt and swivel. We then get to the top, guys, and we have a button. Yeah, a button. This button controls the RGB lighting. Yeah, RGB lighting. And I don't know why I'm repeating myself all the time, but the ring around the front illuminates with some different lighting sequences. Now, personally, I'm not up for the whole flashing lights scenario. Way too old for that. But the solid lighting is definitely a nice touch. Now, let's talk about what makes this charger special. Well, first up, it's the Qi 2 certification. Now, Qi 2 is the next generation of wireless charging technology. It's designed to be faster and more efficient than its predecessor, Qi 1. Now, Qi 2 can deliver up to 15 watts of power, which is double what Qi 1 could do. It uses a ring of magnets to align the charging coils perfectly, and this improves charging efficiency and reduces the risk of overheating. Plus, Qi 2 is backward compatible, so you know what, it's going to work with your older Qi 1 devices too. Now, don't mistake this for MagSafe. That's Apple's proprietary system, which for older phones still operates with the whole 15 watts scenario, but for the newer iPhone 16, this can push up to 25 watts. But this Minix Qi 2 system has a much broader device support and can work with iPhones and Android phones. And guys, when you add the fan, which uses semiconductor cooling technology, this makes it a truly unique charger. As I already said, wireless charging creates heat, and when that happens, this fan kicks in automatically to cool everything down, making your charging experience much more efficient. So guys, there you have it, the Minix MC-C01 Qi 2 magnetic cooling charger is a solid choice if you're looking for a versatile, future-proof wireless charger. With cooling technology and customizable RGB lights, this is a very cool and functional device. I know I've said cool quite a lot, but it's very cool because it is cool and it does cool. But anyway, at a price of only £20.99 at the time of this video going live, this is an absolute bargain. I'll leave any product links and any discount codes in the description. And guys, if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching. And thanks to Minix for sending me this cool, yeah, I said cool again, right? No pun intended. This cool magnetic charger to review. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.